Did you know that right now, inside your body, there are dangerous, toxic fats that have been accumulating for years? And the worst part is, they're making you sick, tired, and overweight. But don't worry, I have amazing news for you. Ben Azadi, a leading expert in natural fat loss and cellular health, has discovered a powerful drink that can help you eliminate these bad fats through your bowel movements in just 7 days. And the best part? It's completely natural. You see, my dear friends, these dangerous fats come from something called vegetable oils. Now, I know what you're thinking, but vegetable oils sound healthy. Well, according to Dr. Kate Shanahan, who was the nutritionist for famous basketball player Kobe Bryant, these oils are actually worse for your health than smoking cigarettes or eating sugar. Can you believe that? Let me explain why this is so serious. These bad fats stay in your body for up to 2 years after you eat them. They wrap around your cells like a thick blanket, making it impossible for your body to burn fat. That's why so many people can't lose weight no matter how much they exercise. You might wonder how these dangerous fats got into our food supply in the first place. Well, my dear friends, it's a fascinating but troubling story. Back in the early 1900s, food companies discovered they could make huge profits by creating these industrial seed oils. They were cheap to produce and had a very long shelf life. But our bodies were never designed to process these artificial fats. Think about it. For thousands of years, our ancestors used natural fats like butter, lard, and olive oil. They never had access to industrially processed corn or canola oil. Our bodies simply don't know what to do with these modern inventions. Let me share something that will shock you. These toxic fats don't just affect your weight, they're actually changing how your brain works. Recent scientific studies have shown that when these bad fats accumulate in your brain tissue, they can affect your mood, memory, and even your ability to focus. That's why so many people today struggle with brain fog and can't concentrate. Now here's another important thing you need to understand. Your liver, which is your body's main detoxification organ, becomes overwhelmed by these toxic fats. When this happens, it can't properly process other toxins either. It's like having a clogged filter in your car. Everything starts to break down. But here's the good news. Ben Azadi has created a special morning drink that helps your body eliminate these bad fats naturally through your poop. And today, I'm going to share his exact recipe with you. Now, before I tell you the ingredients, you need to understand what these bad fats are doing to your body. They are causing inflammation, weight gain, brain fog, low energy, and even serious diseases. The drink is actually very simple to make. You'll need, first, 2 cups of spring water. It has to be spring water because tap water might contain chemicals that could interfere with the process. Then, you'll add psyllium husk, just 5 grams. Now, you might be wondering what psyllium husk is. Well, it's a natural fiber that, according to scientific research, helps bind to those bad fats in your digestive system and carry them out through your poop. Next comes 2 tablespoons of flax seeds. These magical seeds create a special gel in your intestines that helps lubricate everything and make it easier for those bad fats to slide right out. Finally, you'll need calcium and magnesium powder, 400 milligrams of calcium and 200 milligrams of magnesium. These minerals actually grab onto those bad fats and make sure they leave your body instead of being reabsorbed. You know what's really interesting about this combination of ingredients? They work through multiple pathways in your body. The psyllium husk doesn't just bind to fats, it also helps feed the good bacteria in your gut. These beneficial bacteria then produce special compounds that help your body break down even more fat. When these oils enter our body, they create something called cellular inflammation. Imagine your cells are like little houses, and these bad fats are like thick mud that covers the walls of these houses. When this happens, your fat-burning hormones can't get inside the cells to do their job. That's why so many people struggle with stubborn belly fat. The beautiful thing about this morning drink is that it helps clean away this mud from your cells. According to Ben, people who drink this every morning notice more energy within days, better digestion, clearer thinking, and yes, they start losing weight more easily. But here's something very important. You must drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This is when your digestive system is most ready to eliminate toxins. Here's something most people don't realize. When you start eliminating these toxic fats, your taste buds actually begin to change. Many people report that after just a few weeks, they start naturally craving healthier foods. It's like your body finally remembers what real food should taste like. Now, some people ask me, but what about the taste? Well, I'll be honest with you, it's not like drinking a chocolate milkshake. But remember, this is medicine. This is healing. This is your body getting rid of toxins that have been stuck inside you for years. You might experience some increased bowel movements in the first few days. This is completely normal. It's actually a good sign. It means the drink is working, helping your body eliminate those bad fats. It's important to note that while you're doing this cleanse, you should try to avoid eating more bad fats. It's recommended cooking with healthier alternatives like olive oil for cold dishes, coconut oil for cooking, avocado oil for high-heat cooking, and grass-fed butter. Speaking of healthy fats, let me share an amusing secret with you. When you replace these toxic vegetable oils with healthy fats, something magical happens in your cells. Your mitochondria, the tiny power plants in your cells, start working better. It's like switching from dirty coal to clean energy in a power plant. Suddenly, everything runs more efficiently. The science behind this drink is fascinating. Research shows that the psyllium husk alone can increase fat excretion by up to 50%. When you combine it with the flax seeds and minerals, you're giving your body the perfect tools to finally get rid of those stored toxic fats. Remember, my friends, this isn't just about losing weight. This is about getting healthy from the inside out. When you eliminate these toxic fats, you're not just helping your waistline, you're helping every cell in your body work better.